Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
He is a corrupted man. He is a corrupted man, I am sorry to say. All corruption oriented man. Why central government will allow a governor like this? हावला जॉइंट केस में अगर गवर्नर का सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का पास पता नहीं है तो मैं कह देती हूँ, आप चार्जशीट निकालिए, वो चार्जशीट में उनका नाम था कि नहीं था। पहले आप कोर्ट को मैनेज किया, उसका बाद फिर कोर्ट केस हुआ, वो कोर्ट केस अभी तक फैसला नहीं हुआ। इज इट द वे हाउ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इज फंक्शनिंग? Why they will disturb the state like this? Somewhere they are sending governor, somewhere they are sending National Human Rights Commission, somewhere they are sending Tribal Commission, Minority Commission, this and that later, what not? Even pandemic situation also they cannot afford. Why they are not taking action against UP Chief Minister, where hundreds of dead bodies are lying with the Ganges? It's a big crime. There is no number, no record. Why they are only obstructing Bengal and abusing and accusing Bengal? What Bengal have done the wrong thing? What for? They tried, they failed. Even how they organize the election, everybody you have seen, from money to election commission, how they help them, how they capture the administration. Every officer change, every IC change, every observer change. It is just like a party oriented one election. I have never seen like this. It is not the democracy. We fought against the autocrats. But after that, when we won the election, they should have digested it. They should have tolerated it. They should have accepted the public verdict. Instead of that, every day they are calling the governor and giving the information. They are sending the ED and they are sending the CBI and they are sending the I know what not to disturb only our people. Why? Can they manage India? How many countries they ban India? Not allowing because of COVID? Don't you think it is a matter of shame for the country? We feel proud for our country and we feel embarrassed when we are totally banned from the outside. What they are doing? Accept the election and to capture the election and rigging and sometimes to fight, to play the dirty game through this social network. The fake report, the fake report. They cannot tolerate a journalist who have written something against of them. FIR has been lost against of him also. What they think? I am sorry to say, nowadays the media became very weak. Otherwise, if all the media should have done the right thing, I think you can save the democracy. The judiciary, the media, these two can save the democracy. Otherwise, India will lost everything. I am worried for my country.